So here we go. This is what I've done so far. I've taken the upper intake and the throttle body out because I got to service it and clean it anyways. But my first attempt was thinking about getting it from the top, removing this fan shaft. So as you can see, this is in the way. This is in the way. Let me get my light tube here. This will be easier. There we go. So there you are. That's the problem. You got the tubes here, and you got your water pump right there, your pulleys. That's where it is. And that tube has to come out, and there's a tube underneath this that needs to come out before you can even get to the pump. So I tried taking it from the top, and then I decided, you know what, I better stop because this whole intake runner has to come out. As you can see, all the way down there, and that's just a pain in the ass. And I'll still have a problem. How do I get that pulley out? So the best solution, follow what everybody else did, take the front bumper off. So